Well, a group of pro-life pregnancy centers made an appearance at a court in Buffalo, New York today. It is part of their lawsuit against State Attorney General Letitia James. The groups accuse James of abusing her authority by censoring pro-life pregnancy centers for telling women about the option of abortion pill reversals. In May, James sued the 11 faith-based centers, alleging that they promoted misleading statements about abortion pills. And for more, we turn now to Gabriella, McIntyre, legal counsel with Alliance Defending Freedom, which is representing the pro-life groups. Gabriella, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it. A lot to get to, but first, for those who have not been following the original case, tell us a little bit more about it and what Attorney General Letitia James, what her objective is here.
Sure. So a little bit of background. Back in May, the Attorney General sued 11 pro-life faith-based pregnancy centers and Heartbeat International, which is a network of affiliated centers, because of their statements, which are both positive and truthful, about the safety and efficacy of what's known as abortion pill reversal. And she's attempting to censor their speech about this life-saving option, and in doing so is preventing women who no longer want to go through with a chemical abortion from even hearing about the option. And so our clients also make those same statements, and their speech is being chilled because they're all the while at risk of also being targeted for litigation by the Attorney General. And that's impermissible under the First Amendment. So that's why we sued.
Yeah, and tell us a little bit more why that was so important to you all to do that. And what happened in court today?
Yeah, so to your first question, I mean, it's extremely important. Women deserve to know all of the options that are before them when they're considering how to proceed with their pregnancy. If a woman does not want to continue with a chemical abortion, she deserves to know that there's an option out there that could potentially save her child. And in 5,000 cases plus, at this point, has saved unborn children in about 5,000 cases. And it's also been shown statistically and through studies to have a 64 to a 68% success rate. And so today in court, what was on the docket was a hearing on our motion for preliminary injunction. And basically what that is that we are asking the court during the interim, while this lawsuit proceeds on the merits, to stop the Attorney General or bar the Attorney General from bringing an enforcement action against our centers, the clients that we represent, for their speech on abortion pill reversal.
Gabriella, what's at stake here?
Unborn lives and very much the ability of pro-life pregnancy centers to be able to speak about this life-saving option. We have one woman in our complaint who heard about the option of abortion pill reversal through one of the websites of the centers who's being sued currently by the Attorney General. Had she not heard about the information regarding abortion pill reversal, the life of her child likely would not have been saved because she would not have heard about that option. And so very much important, the free speech rights of these pro-life pregnancy centers, and also just the implications of this. This truly is life-saving treatment that women deserve to know about.
And quickly, before I let you go, Gabriella, what's next in the case?
Well, we have yet to hear from the judge, since the hearing was just today, on the motion for preliminary injunction, but we do expect probably within the span of maybe 2 to 4 weeks, maybe a little longer than that, to hear from the judge. And so hopefully we'll have a favorable decision on that, and we'll be able to proceed on the merits of the case, where the Attorney General will then answer our complaint.
All right, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We'll continue to follow this as well. God bless.
Thank you. Thanks so much.